Hi everyone. With the outfit of the day, I am guessing that you would have figured out the key habit for today, which is fitness. Now, scientifically, there are a lot of studies that actually prove the benefits of this. I am going to help you and share a few tips that will kickstart this new habit for you. So, for all the starters who want to kickstart fitness slash workout as a habit, the first thing that I want you to refrain from saying is this. We generally tend to say, I am going to start working out from tomorrow. The moment you say that, your body and your mind are figuring out ways to resist this particular change. So I'm going to ask you to use another strategy, which is to use and say, I'm going to spend 20 minutes of self-time. Now imagine 20 to 30 minutes of self-time doing any kind of movement that you like. It could be Zumba, it could be dance, it could be exercise, it could be a walk, it could be a run, whatever you wish. But a humble request, do not use I am going to start working out from tomorrow. Two other tips that I've shared in the past that work really well to kickstart this self-time habit. The first one is to start small. I highly recommend only a 20-minute workout to start with, and then you can gradually increase the time. And the second one is the cueing or the triggering technique that we spoke about. I'll share an example. For me, when I'm back from work, the moment I change from my office wear, that's a cue for me that I need to step into my running gear, and that helps me to trigger my habit of running, and I'm off for my self-time. I'm too lazy, I'm not as motivated as you are, and the classic one is I don't have time. Now we've used all of these reasons to run away from this habit. But let me tell you how many other reasons we give, but there is no denying that we all need some self-time. Now there are two recommendations that I want to share in regards to this. The first one is to do this self-time the first thing in the morning, so that you're done with this whole self-time piece, and your reasons of saying, oh, I had a long day at work, my boss caught me when I was just about to leave, all those reasons go outside of the window. And the second recommendation is that we're not building this particular habit to be a habit of a Monday, Wednesday, Friday only. It's a lifestyle change, it's a lifestyle habit. So I want you to do this every single day. And the more you do it, the more better you will feel. And who does not want to feel on top of the world? If I've not motivated you enough, let me scare you a little bit. And this is generally when you're looking at your health report that shows a borderline case of cholesterol. And then suddenly you want to kickstart this habit. The sooner you start, the better for all of you guys. So make sure that you show up and you start today. Do not forget to check the other videos. Have a fabulous day and see you tomorrow.